1984 GMC Jimmy, full-sized 4x4. Small block Chevy underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. As you can see, aftermarket grille and headlights. Was a factory AC vehicle also. Noticed when opening the hood, picturing it up with the engine bay and stuff, the compressor and some of the AC unit components are gone. Check out those still pictures so you can see the engine bay undersides also at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Paint and body on this one does show us age some. Are some chips. There's a ding, dent, scratches here and there. This is one of those. Kind of drive it, patina it the way it is now, or maybe you want to take it to the next level. These have become quite popular over the past years. Show you around the wheel wells, lower rockers. BF Goodrich, all-terrain TA radials. Plenty of tread left on those. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You have to mark your tail lights. Of course, the rear window will crank down, and don't try to close it with the window up. Make sure the window is down in the tailgate when opening and closing. And once again, you can see in the rear of this, see the interior underside, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Got a wine interior, cloth buckets up front, center console. Check it out here in just a second. We'll start it up. Let you hear it run also. I'm going to point a few of these spots out up here on the door. Paint's a little thin in a few areas. Power windows, power locks, door panels. You can see it in the still pictures of the floor mats out, so you can see what the carpeting's like underneath there. Seats and carpeting seem to be in fine shape. Cloth vinyl combination. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Again, small block Chevy, paired up with an automatic transmission. Of course, that removable roof in the rear of it, ever popular on summer days. Slip up to the front, check out this engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.